I'm getting ready for a birthday party. No Drama Lama. The birthday girl was very particular in the design she told her mother she wanted. So I decided to make her a t-shirt with the same design, even though the birthday party will be making signs with this transfer. Because the birthday girl wanted every sign to look different, I decided we're going to use two colors and do the ombre. So I wanted to do her t-shirt with the same type of design. I do not usually ombre or mix with my finger on fabric. You just never know how it's going to turn out. But I was willing to give it a try. This particular transfer is not real detailed, and cotton t-shirts, you know, this is a little bit thicker cotton t-shirts than some of them, so I thought that the fabric would hold up well enough, and it did. It worked out okay. So what I do next is let this air dry for a little bit or hit it with my heat gun, and then I put down Teflon sheet, which you can use parchment paper, but I put down Teflon sheet and heat press it for 30 seconds with the easy press. You'd have to do 4 minutes with an iron, and then I heat set it on the back, usually about 20 seconds. And I put the Teflon sheet inside again. I decided to go ahead and make up a sample sign. I don't always, but because I'm going to be letting the girls also choose ribbon to put at the bottom of the sign, I decided to make one as a sample ahead of time. And one of the reasons I'm doing the ribbon at the bottom is, again, because the birthday girl wanted each sign to be different. So this is another opportunity to offer them that option, and it didn't cost me very much money. So I'm ombreing this again, and usually I have more ink on my transfer when I do this, but I think because I was videoing and thinking to myself, am I doing this upside down, that I didn't, my technique wasn't down like it would normally be, but it all worked out okay. So after the ombre, just took the transfer off, added some ribbon to the bottom, and then I also bring just a little birthday sign with me. I don't always change out the colors, but this time it just all worked together. Enjoy.